a song that, well, when I was growing up in Chicago, we had 2 albums in the basement that we played on our plastic record player, and it was an RCA record player. One was Al Green, Let's Stay Together, and the other one was Aqualung.
Jethro Tull!
In those. And of course all the songs on the Al Green record were great, and the Aqualung album was, you know, really a dynamic album. Lots of pretty songs, lots of kind of slower songs mixed with very raucous rock. And I find it interesting that the one that stuck out for me was the song called Wind Up. And Wind Up is, you'll hear the words and you'll understand the meaning, but for a 13-year-old girl who's growing up in Catholic school to hear a song like that brought up a lot of questions, let's just say, and it was like a permission slip. So here we go with Wind Up. Let's just do it the way we always do. I'll take deep breath first though. When I was young and they packed me off to school, and they taught me how not to play the game. I didn't mind if they groomed me for success, or if they said that I was just a fool. So I left there in the morning with their God tucked underneath my arm, their half-assed smiles, and the book of rules. And I asked this God a question, and They're got tucked underneath my arm. They're half-assed smiles and the book of rules. And so I asked this God a question, and by way of firm reply, he said, I'm not the kind you have to wind up on someday. Thank you. Joel, thank you.
Thank you, Joel.
Angela Keating and Joel Caplow. Great accompaniment tonight of Joel Caplow. And a great song. What's it called?
Wind up.
Wind Up. Wind Up.